Hello friends, this is Deblina from Shrinjan Dance Academy. This is a revision lesson on the hastak that we use in Kathak. So far I have taught you the hastaks individually. Today I am going to sum up all the 10 kinds of hastak which I have taught so far. The first one is Utpatti hastak, which you use in the beginning or at the end of the dance. Keep it in front of your chest, a little away from your body. Hold the mudra of Arala. Whatever other movements you do, you start from Utpatti position. Next comes Samatal Hasta. Samatal Hasta is moving your hand towards the side and looking at your hand. Right hand side, then left hand side, and bringing it back and ensuring that you maintain the level of your shoulder and your elbow should be the same. You don't take your hand up or bend it down. It should be on the same level. Okay. Next is Sthira Hasta. Sthira Hasta is used to show a frozen movement when you are ready to begin the dance or you are waiting for your turn to come while your co-dancer is dancing. Okay, Sthira Hasta. Like this. This side or this side. Whichever side you want. Always look at your hand and maintain a proper level with your chin. Sthira Hasta. Next is Palat. Palat, you have to do it a little diagonally. Maintain the Utpatti position, then move your wrist. First very softly and then sharp. And look that side. Then from the left hand side, keep looking at your hand while it is moving and while ending. End with a sharpness. And look here. So that is Palat. Next in our list is Pushpak Hasta. Pushpak Hasta, make a frame with both your hands around your face. The right hand side should face the audience while the left hand side should be back side. Okay, like this, make a cross. Then move both the hands equally and bring it down to the home position. Or if I do it here, like this, make a round and bring it back to the front position. Okay, so that is Pushpak. Then we have Naman. In Naman Hasta, you put right over left and hold both the hands. You should keep a little away from your body. Okay, look how the shape of my elbow is, how the shape of my hand is. Naman Hasta. It is generally kept like this, but when you use it along with Tatkar, you move your wrist a little like Tathi, Tat, Adi, Tat, 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 Adi, Tat, like this. So this is Naman Hasta. After doing Naman Hasta, let me come to Vyapti. Vyapti, as I said, this also you should keep your hand in Utpatti position first. Then take both your hands down like this. Make a round. Keep looking at your hand and come back. Again from this side, take it down. Make a round. Don't take your hand above your shoulder. Make a round like this and come back to the Utpatti position. So that is Vyapti Hasta. Okay, after this, let me come to Kona Suchita. Kona Suchita is further divided into 3 categories. Urdhva Kona Suchita, taking your hand up sharply, bring it back. Madhya Kona Suchita, take it to middle position, take it back. Then Tala Kona Suchita, take it down and bring it back. Similarly, with your left hand, take it up, bring it back. Middle portion, Madhya Kona Suchita, bring it back. Tala Kona Suchita, bring it back. Okay. After this, we have the Chakra. This also is further divided into 3 categories. First one is Urdhva Hasta Chakra, in which you take your hand up, make it straight, bend your wrist towards the audience, make a round and bring it back to the home position. Keep looking at your hand while you are doing this. Keep looking at the dominant hand and also ensure that while you are doing Hasta Chakra with one hand, the other non-dominant hand, this one, should maintain its position. Okay, so this is Urdhva Hasta Chakra. After this, we will do it in the middle. We'll take a spin with our hand in the middle. This is Madhya Hasta Chakra. Take it in front, round and bring it back like this. Take it front, take a round and bring it back like this. Madhya Hasta Chakra. Then Tala Hasta Chakra, take your hands towards down. Down take it back diagonally. Don't take your hand above your shoulder. Take it down, go diagonally and bring it back to the home position. Again, do it with the left hand similarly. Take it down, diagonally back and then bring it back to the front position. So that is Talahasta Chakra. Okay, with that we come to the end of, extremely sorry because I forgot one more hasta that we use, that is Alingan. In Alingan what we do is, keep your hand in the home position, that is Utpatti. Take both your hands towards your neck. Use the complete length of your hand. Take a round and come back to the home position. Take it towards your neck, make a round and come back to the home position. That is Alingan. And if I do the same thing using one hand at a time, like this, then it will be called Ardha Alingan. Always make sure that your eyes are following your hand. So that is Ardha Alingan. With that, we come to the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much. Hope it is helpful for you.